Get up. Show up. Dress up. Show up. And never give up. Okay? Ganun na yan kasi. Wake up. Get up. Dress up. Make up. And never give up. Ganun lang yan ang buhay. Minsan hindi talaga fully tayo, di ba? Ayaw natin. Pero lang akong kwento dyan, no? Yung mama niya, ginising yung anak niya, anak, gising na kasi you have to go to school. Sabi niya, Mommy, I don't want to go to school. I'm tired. Sabi niya, Nak, hindi pwedeng mag-absent ka. Mommy, I have to be absent today. Nak, hindi pwede. Pwede lagi, Mommy. Hindi pwede, anak. Bakit? Alam mo bakit? Tanong niyo kung bakit. Kasi supervisor ka. Hindi pwede, hindi ka mag-report. Okay? Sabi niyo, you are a leader. Importante na nandun ka. Okay? So, engage your leader. Yan, no? Retired warrior. Okay? Ano yung isa? May tinatawag na disengage. Ano yung disengage? Minsan okay, minsan hindi. Okay? Ganun lang noon. But meron bagong na-discover. Anong tawag? Actively, these are the people who decided that they will never be engaged. Pero ang masaklap na report pa rin sa work. Ang dami kong kausap nito. Sabi ko, Sir, kumusta? Sir, kapoy naman kayo. Diba? Then sabi ko, pag tayo tanong, Sir, sayang naman yung sahod. And yet, they are not involved. And you know, ang masama dito sa activities engaged, they influence people in a bad way. Okay, so, ito yung challenge ngayon sa workplace. Maraming mga tao na retired on active duty. Okay? Yan. So, effective communicator. Okay. Listen. What is the definition of communication? Message sent, message received. Ano nga? Di ba? Parang text, diba? So, ganun yung standard. Pero bakit meron pa rin mga lapses? Bakit hindi nagkaintindihan pa rin? Di ba? Tama naman yung message sent, message received. Ano naman? What's wrong? Miss communication? Kung babae, miss. Kung lalaki, mister. Bakit? Anong problema? What's the gap? What's the challenge? Message sent, message received, right? Ba't ba isip at hindi nagkaintindihan? You know what's the thing? Dapat makano natin. Ha? So, ituro ko sa inyo. That's the word. That's it. Comprehension. Nasaktan ka. Okay. This is the practice. Nag-meeting tayo. Diba? Nag-meeting. Saan ko nag-meeting? Anong tanong ng leader? Any question? Tama hindi? Most often than that. Merong tanong wala? Wala. Why? Because people are afraid to ask questions. You know why? Ask me why. Because pag nagtanong ka, you are perceived as bobo. Hindi mo na intindihan yung sinasabi ng leader. Tama? Hindi. Pero ang totoo, hindi mo talaga naintindihan. So saan ka magtanong ngayon? Sa kasama mo na hindi rin na intindihan. Kaya ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, dalawang klase ang GC. Tama hindi? May GC na kasali ka, may GC na hindi ka kasali. Tama hindi? May private GC yan sila. Kasi doon sila tatanong, doon sila magpalabas ng mga feelings nila na wala ka. You know, this is the reality right now. You will ask, ano nga yung sabihin ni Ma'am? You know what? This is very important. Why? Because we are wasting our time and resources. Imagine morning, hanggang hapon, hindi pa rin naintindihan pala. Right? So we encourage people to be engaged. That's why, anong pinaka-importante? Nasaktan ba? So this is the thing. I'm teaching this to people. If you're conducting meetings, do not just ask any question. But the question should be asked here is one. Ano? Narinig si Coach kanina nagtanong? Nasaktan ba? Diba? I asked you several times, nasaktan ba? Why? I want to connect with you if you understand me. Kasi I want you to of the same level para hindi magsayang ang time natin na nandito tayo. Okay, so ganito ang gawin ninyo ha. Pag nag-meeting kayo, ganito ang gagawin. Ha? Sakto ang gawin ko ha. Mag-meeting tayo. Okay? When? Anong naintindihan mo sa meeting natin? Okay? When now, ano ba gawin? We'll share based on our knowledge sa meeting or anong pinagkait ko ni Coach. Now, I know now the level if Wing was able to understand. Ngayon, next, what's the name? Kiki. Kiki. Kalahin mo na una ba? Kiki. Initing ko doon sa Stephen Conway. Okay, Joyce, ano ba yung gusto mong madagdag? Nakita ninyo? I'm now asking individually. Okay, dito rin, Joe, ano yung naintindihan? So, ano yan? You know what's the beauty about this? Alam nyo, anong beauty ng ganito? Because next meeting, do you think these people will not listen to me? Makinig sila, hindi. Bakit? Kasi tatanungin ko. Meaning to say, walang nagre-relax. Everybody is attending to what you are saying. You getting me? Dapat ganun tayo. Okay, and you know what? Kung magiging culture na ito, anong mangyayari? Pag culture is part of our system na, anong mangyayari? You are not wasting your time